Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for tapping in. So if you're new to Tesla, or if you own a Tesla for a while now, we all know that we have to replace the 12-volt battery. And today I did get a message. As you can see, this is what will pop up in your screen. It's an actual warning sign telling you that you have to replace your battery soon. As you can see there. Let me just tap this here. So this is what pops up. Electrical system is unable to support all features. The system backup power is unavailable, and obviously we have to call service and replace the battery. I did make a mobile service request. Don't worry, your car will not shut down while you're driving. Again, this is a warning sign, so be on the lookout for that, or you can be proactive and change the battery on your own. I've had my car for 3 years now, and this is the first time I get this message. Thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.